question 8. The curve C has equation px cubed plus qxy plus 3y squared equal to 26, where pq are constant, and they want us to show that the derivative in that form. Okay, so this implicit differentiation. So px cubed plus qxy plus 3y squared equal to 26. So if we differentiate that, bring down the power 3px squared minus 1 to the power. So we have 3px squared. And then for the second one, q is the coefficient, doesn't change. We just have to find the derivative of xy. So x times y is a product. So we need to use the product rule. So that'll be x times by the derivative of y, which is dy over dx. And then plus y times by the derivative of x, which is 1. So y times 1 stay the same. And then 3y squared, bring down the power minus 1 to the power, so that'll be 6y. And then don't forget to times by the derivative of y, which is dy over dx, equal to 0, because 26 is a constant. Okay, now we just have to make dy over dx as a subject. So 3px squared plus, expand it out, qx dy over dx, and then plus qy, and then plus 6y dy over dx equal to 0. Then factorize out dy over dx, then that'll be qx plus 6y in brackets dy over dx, and that's equal to, move the other term to the other side. So I'm going to minus 3px squared for both sides and minus qy for both sides. So then dy over dx is just equal to minus 3px squared minus qy all over qx plus 6y. Let me change that. Okay, and then for part B, so given that the point P, -1, -4 lies on C, and the normal to C at P has equation 19x plus 26y plus 123 equal to 0. We want to find the value of P and value of Q. So there are two unknowns. That means we need to find two equations and try to solve them to get P and Q. So we need to set up two equations. The first equation is simple, because P is a point lies on C. That means substitute in, that should give us a true statement. So if we substitute that in, so for part B, x equal to -1, y equal to -4. So put into the equation, so P times -1, the part 3, plus Q times by x, which is -1, and then y is -4, and then plus 3 times by -4 squared equal to 26. So then -1 cubed is just -1. So negative P plus -1 times -4 is +4, plus 4q, and then plus 3 times by 4 squared is equal to 48. That's 26. Then negative P plus 4q equal to 26 minus 48, which is -22. Then P minus 4q equal to 22. So that would be our first equation. And then for the second equation, so every time when you're talking about the normal or the tangent, we need to rearrange it to find the gradient first. So rearrange this one, we have 26y equal to -19x minus 123. And y is equal to -19 over 26x minus 123 over 26. So the gradient of the normal is -19 over 26. So that means the gradient of the tangent should be 26 over 19 when x is equal to -1 and then when y equal to -4. So if we substitute that into our derivative equation, so m is a gradient, is dy over dx. So 26 over 19 is equal to -3p times by -1 squared, and minus q times by y, which is -4, and then over q times x, which is -1, and then plus 6 times y, which is -4. So then simplify this, 26 over 19 is equal to -3p plus 4q over negative q minus 24. So I'm going to cross multiply. So that would be negative 26q. And then 26 times negative 24 is negative 624. And then 19 times each one of them. So 19 times by negative 3 is negative 57p. And 19 times by positive 4 is 76q. Okay. Once we have this, we can simplify that. So plus 57p for both sides, and then minus 76q for both sides. So negative 26 minus 76 is negative 102q. That's equal to 624. We can simplify. Divide by 3. So 57 divided by 3 is 19. So 19p. 102 divided by 3 is 34 minus 34q equal to 224 divided by 3. So 208. So now we just have to solve the simultaneous equation. So we have p minus 4q equal to 22, and then 19p minus 34q equal to 208. So rearrange that, p equal to 22 plus 4q, and then substitute in 19 times by 22 plus 4q minus 34q equal to 208. So expand it out, 19 times 22 is 418, and then plus 19 times by 4, which is 76q, minus 34q equal to 208. 76 minus 34, which is 42q, and then 208 minus 418 is negative 210. So therefore, q is just equal to negative 210 divided by 42, which is negative 5. And then p has to be 22 plus 4 times by negative 5, which is 22 minus 20, which is positive 2. Then we find the value of p and q. So p is 2, q is negative 5.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.